this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start a BOFAclassroom lesson. Before you can start teaching a lesson, you need to create it first. You can see how to do this in our Creating a Lesson tutorial. Before we get started, if you want to use the screen sharing feature during your lesson, you'll need to make sure you're using either Chrome, Firefox or Edge, version 79 or above. BOFAclassroom will work with other browsers such as Safari, but the screen sharing tool will not be available, so make sure you keep this in mind. It's not easy to switch browsers in the middle of a lesson. Once you're logged into your account, you need to find Manage Lessons in the sidebar. Click the link and you'll be taken to your My Lessons page. All the lessons you've created can be found here. To start a lesson you have already created, click the Join as Teacher button, and your lesson will open in a new tab. It's a good idea to start the lesson as the teacher a few minutes before you have it scheduled to start for pupils. Once you're ready to start your lesson, go back to the previous tab and click the Invite Pupils button. All the pupils in the class you assigned to the lesson will then receive an invite link, and you'll see confirmation of that here. If we go back to your Lesson tab, as your pupils receive the invitation, they will join the lesson and their names will appear here. If you want to add or remove resources from a lesson you have created, you can do so by clicking Edit and then go to the Lesson Resources box, and you can delete any existing resources and upload new ones. Click Save and your lesson will be updated.